First off, Keyword Planner Killer is a Java application, so it runs on PCs, Macs, and Linux computers, so it will work for you. All you do is simply click on the Keyword Planner Killer jar file and we're off to the races. First, just enter any keyword or keyword string in the keyword's text box at the top left-hand corner of the panel. Now let's try Make Money Online Fast, a very competitive keyword phrase. Now hit the Start button and watch all that data pour in. What you're seeing here is all the related searches around the term Make Money Online Fast. So basically what Keyword Planner Killer is doing is what you can manually do if you went to Google and entered Make Money Online Fast. Then all the related searches show up at the bottom of the Google search page. Then copy each group of keywords for searches related to Make Money Online Fast. By the way, this would take you hours per search. It takes Keyword Planner Killer a few minutes to do this instead of a few hours. Also, notice all the ads to the right and the top of the search page. Keyword Planner Killer also counts how many ads are visible for each search page. This defines if the keyword has any commercial value. Advertisers do not spend money unless a keyword is converting for them. So let's see what we have. Keyword Planner Killer has finished and returned results for Make Money Online Fast. This is Google telling you what keywords are related to each other. Next, do the keywords have any commercial intent? For instance, is anyone spending money on advertising for that particular keyword? It's all about following the money trail. The advertisers have done all the hard work for you in finding converting buyer keywords. And how hard will it be to rank in the top 10 against the ranking existing websites for that particular keyword? This is not some theoretical, hypothetical keyword research. This is actual data dissected from the actual search pages of Google. Keyword Planner is designed as an AdWords tool, and somehow you're supposed to make some sort of connection that the information you find in Keyword Planner will help you with your SEO and ability to rank? This is the old way of doing things when it worked. Remember, Google has replaced its whole search algorithm with Hummingbird, which means out with the old and in with the new way to do keyword research and search engine optimization. If you're going to succeed, you must know what is actually happening on page 1 of Google search. This is what Keyword Planner Killer does. Notice the title bar: path, keywords, ads, and domain authority. Path and keywords is how Google groups semantic and contextual keywords. This shows the important and related keywords together. Ads is your indicator if that keyword has commercial value to advertisers. And domain authority is how hard is it to rank on page 1 against other websites. 100 is the hardest and 0 the easiest. We looked at the average domain authority on page 1 for each keyword and reported the value. This tells you, do you have a chance to rank on page 1? Taking a quick look, you will see Make Money Online Fast has many keywords, over 60, which is a rough number for hard to rank. No big surprise there. You got to agree, Keyword Planner Killer gives us an unfair advantage for knowing what is happening on page 1 of Google search. That's why I spent so much time and money to develop it. Now, let's look at a keyword phrase with a much lower domain authority to show you the difference. Home Builders, Florida. Keyword Planner is also great for local search if this is your business model. Take a look at the average domain authority overall. The numbers are much lower. Okay, now let's do something even cooler. Every column is sortable. you can find the best possible groups of keywords to target and easiest to rank for in a couple of mouse clicks. Look at all these low domain authority numbers less than 60. 100 is the hardest, and 60 and lower are easiest to rank for. That's the magic of Keyword Planner Killer. It's going to give you these amazing keywords and niches no one is finding in a few minutes and a couple of mouse clicks. Are you starting to get excited yet? We haven't even gotten into the meat of the software once you find the best and easiest keywords to rank for. Now, let's get into the meat of the software. This is where Keyword Planner Killer shines at its best. You're going to be amazed at what you're going to discover. Let's select Luxury Home Builders, Florida. This group of keywords have a very low domain authority and a good amount of ads. Notice the buttons. Detail and density are now highlighted once you select a keyword to investigate. Details show us all the top URLs ranking on page 1 for that particular keyword. You'll notice lots of other detailed information about links and trust factors, which can only be covered in the search engine optimization course that we have to offer with Keyword Planner Killer. You can click any URL link and it will take you to the actual website you are doing research for. Take a look what happens when you click the preview button. This shows you what the actual content is on that web page. The left side is the actual text without any formatting. The right side is the actual text with all the stop words removed. Stop words are words that Google bots ignore when crawling your web pages. This leaves behind only the text that Google reads and uses to index and rank you. The preview window has 3 tabs, which you can view the content on any web page in different formats. I think the most important one is the split page. It orders all the text with stop words removed in list format. This shows you what the top ranking websites use for content to get their top rankings. All you need to do with this information is use it as a model to outrank the competition. It's pretty cool, right? This is exactly how your competition is ranking in the top 10 in Google. This is Google telling you how to outrank your competition. We take this one step further. Let's click the density button. This window shows you how many times a keyword is repeated in the top 10 URLs for any search page in Google. Notice, you will see how many times a keyword is repeated. Also, we show how many words are on the web page for all the URLs so you can compare one website against another. We show densities and word counts for with stop word counts and without stop word counts. Notice for this particular keyword, luxury home builders, not one of the top 10 ranking results have the complete keyword in their content. This surprised us for many keyword groups. Just think if you had the complete phrase and proper linking, what damage you could do to the other websites for ranking. Here is what we have been doing when we write or assign an article to be written. We take this data as a model on how often we repeat the keyword phrase throughout the article without being penalized for keyword stuffing. Some keyword phrases are pretty tolerant for being repeated within an article, and other keywords, it's a balancing game. Keyword Planner Killer exposes all of this, while Keyword Planner is old school and allows you to chase keywords you may never be able to rank in any reasonable amount of time without the proper knowledge of why websites rank on page 1. By now, you should understand the power of this tool. Click the button below to get it and change your life today. See you on the other side.